we went ahead and we recently got our fishing licenses. We haven't been fishing in a couple of years. So, we decided to go fishing. These poles here, 3 rods, and one of the reels we found curbside treasure picking. They were being thrown away. These 2 chairs, 2 folding chairs, we also found curbside. Oh, by the way, we found this lawnmower curbside and brought it home, and it started right up. So I guess the people just got them a new one. Anyway, we're giving this one to a friend of ours because we got another one that works very well too. Anyway, so we decided to go fishing, and I'm so glad we did because we were able to get last night's supper out of it. So I'll continue on from this and show you as part of our fishing adventure and cooking supper and what we included with our supper. I have come out fishing today. You can see this guy out there in the water at catfish. We have caught him. That is the only one we've caught. We've been out here a long time.
But maybe they're coming along.
Yeah, they might be coming around, about to start feeding or something. This is a local lake, state park. Just come in here. We walk down a path to get to this end of the lake. I don't know if I can catch that or not. Yeah, right down there is the dam. So they said there was catfish being caught on this end of the lake by the dam. So that's what we're doing. So I'll bring you back if we catch any more. Here, I've got it zoomed in so I'm not very steady, is the swimming area of this lake. It's a pretty lake, and this lake has been here a long time. And after a bit I'll tell you the history. But the park is called Woolly Hollow State Park. The lake's name is Lake Bennett. And we used to swim here when I was a kid. And the lake was built, I think, by the Civilian Conservation Corps way, way back. But anyway, it's not a huge lake. It's not a real deep lake. But it is really pretty out here. So maybe we'll catch a few more fish. You need a board with a clamp on it.
Yeah, and some actual skipping pliers.
Yeah. Maybe that'll be the next fishing gear we get.
Maybe.
It's hot.
It's hot and arms getting tired.
Yeah. So we had a board with a nail on it.
Yeah.
Big heavy board.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the fish cleaned, and we waited till it cooled down. It's getting pretty late at night. It's almost 10 o'clock now.
We only caught the one fish.
Yeah, we just caught that one fish while we were fishing. So we're going to, he already cut it up. I'm going to bread it. Got a skillet sitting here. Got my oil here. And I'm going to bread it and season it and fry it. Okay, I've got my breading mixed up. This is we got this from a friend. And it's some kind of chicken breading, but there is some cornmeal in it. It's cornmeal and flour, and it smells like a little thyme. But it's not salty enough to suit us, so I added some seasoned salt and some black pepper to it. I'm heating my oil up. Getting ready to fry the fish. I've got a bowl over here to drain it in. So as soon as the oil gets hot, I'll start frying. So my home canned French fries. We dried them off real good. We drained them and rinsed them. We're going to dry them off real good before we fry them. And I'm about to start frying up the catfish. So let me move that spoon out of the way. Roll it in the flour mixture. And just lay it into the hot grease. See, it starts frying right away because I got it hot enough.
And make sure you wash your hands when you handle raw stuff.
Yeah, always. You don't want to cross-contaminate into anything else. Fish, chicken, meat, any kind of meat. Okay. So I'll bring you back when I get these partly done. Okay, let's just start turning these over. See how they look on the other side. They're getting a little bit done. Not brown enough to suit me yet, but we'll get them all nice and golden brown, and I'll get them out here on in this bowl here, this plate. So I'll bring you back when we get them out. Okay, the fish is done cooking. You're probably wondering why there's a tail. I'm telling you, we love the tail on a catfish. It's just like eating chips. And I don't know, I guess we're going to have to share this one, because that's just one little fish. Anyhow, wasn't a huge fish. What you think, maybe a pound?
3 pounds.
About 3 pounds before it was dressed. So yeah, wasn't huge, but it's enough to get us a little bit of a supper. And so he's going to come over here and start frying the French fries. There's my French fries, my home canned French fries, and there they are in the bowl. We're seasoning them with the Lowry seasoned salt. In a minute, I will get my home canned coleslaw out and put some mayonnaise in it. And we've also got out some pickled okra to have with it. So we're going to have a real fish fry here tonight. Okay, so there we go. Got home canned French fried potatoes. Got catfish that we caught just today. Got home canned pickled okra. Home canned coleslaw. This is a pickled type of coleslaw. And I think I made a video on it, so what I will do is be sure and link you to that. So, we're hungry. We're ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll get notifications. And thanks for watching.